Hello students, in this video we will solve another equation, a pair of linear equations graphically. Okay? So let's begin with the first question, which says solve the following pair of linear equations graphically, and the equations that are given are 2x minus y equal to 2 and x plus y equal to 7. We are also given rewrite and complete the following table, this and this one. Plot at least 3 points for each line using a graph paper. So we need to plot 3 points for either equation and then draw a line for each equation. Okay, and then find from wherever they intersect the two lines, we need to obtain x, the value of x and the value of y. So let's begin with 2x minus y equal to 2 and plot the points. So in this case, what I'll do is, for over here for the value of x in this equation, I'll start with 0. So when x is equal to 0, so when x is equal to 0, we substitute the value in 2x minus y. So I'll write down the equation once again, 2x minus y equal to 2. Okay, and instead of x we substitute 0, y equal to 2. So in this case this will become 0 minus y equal to 2, which means y is equal to minus 2. So when x is 0, y becomes minus 2. So we get our first point. We'll take the next one as x equal to 1. Okay, so when 1, let's see what is the, so once again we'll write in the equation 2x minus y equal to 2. In place of x we substitute it with 1, minus y equal to 2. 2 into 1 is 2, minus y equal to 2. 2 when we take on the other side becomes minus 2, so we'll get y is equal to 0. So 2 when it goes on the other side becomes minus 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, and minus y equal to 0 is what we get, so that is as good as y equal to 0. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. We take the next one as x is equal to 2. Let's see what we get then. So 2x minus y, we write down the equation again. In place of x we put 2 minus y equal to 2. This becomes 4. 2 into 2 is 4, minus y equal to 2. So 4 when it goes on the other side it becomes negative y, and we'll get y minus y equal to minus 2. So minus and minus sign cancels and we get y is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is also equal to 2. So we get 3 points for this equation. Before we plot the graph, the line on the graph paper, we'll also plot the we'll also get the points for x and y for this equation, that is x plus y equal to 7. So we'll begin with 2. So when x is equal to 2, let's see what we get for x plus y equal to 7. So in place of x we put 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 when we take on the other side becomes negative. 7 minus 2 is 5. So y is equal. So when is x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 5. In the next equation we'll take x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3, and we'll write down the equation once again, x plus y equal to 7. So in place of x we put 3 plus y equal to 7. 3 goes on the other side becomes negative. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we get y equal to 4. So when x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 4. And for the third point, we'll take x is equal to 4. So once again we write down the same equation, x plus y equal to 7. In place of x we substitute it with 4 plus y equal to 7. 4 when we take on the other side become negative. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we get y is equal to 3. That means when x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 3. Now that we have got the points, 3 points for each equation, let us use those points to plot the graph involving these two or including these two lines, and let's see where they meet or intersect each other. So I've already drawn the x-axis and y-axis, and what I've done is to space it out, since the highest number that we have got is 5, or positive 5 on y-axis, which is over here. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken 2 centimeters equal to 1 unit, rather than taking just 1 centimeters equal to 1 unit. I can take that, you can even take that, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just to space out the graph so that it looks bigger and better and neater. I've taken 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit as indicated on the scale over here. So on x-axis it is 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. See, one block is 1 centimeter here, and on y-axis too I have taken 2 centimeters equal to 1 unit. So y-axis is marked, x-axis is marked 0 over here, and I've indicated the scale also on x-axis and y-axis. So now let's plot the points which the ones which we have just solved for. So here are the points, okay, so that we can have a look. So we'll begin with the first one, that is 2x minus 1 minus y equal to 2. It says when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So to plot a point like that, we'll have to look over here. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So this will come over here. I'll circle this. Okay. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. In case of the next one, it says when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. I'll leave it over here. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So that means it will be over here, because y-axis is 0. Then it says when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. So both are positive. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. So over here, now we've got 3 points. This one was here. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2 comes here. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 comes here. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 comes here. Now that we have got the 3 points over here, we have plotted them. Let's draw the straight line representing 2x minus y equal to 2. So I'll just plot that line first with the help of a scale. So if the three dots do not connect in a straight line, that means we've got something wrong. Okay. So we are getting it in a straight line. We just need to plot the lines. Here you go. So we get a straight line, and we extend it this way with a ray, and I'll write it down over here that it is 2x minus y equal to 2, indicating that this line actually represents this equation. Okay, 2x minus 1 minus y equal to 2. Now we'll plot the next one, which says x plus y equal to 7. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to positive 5. So that means it goes right on top over here. Okay, and we'll mark it over here. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to positive 5. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to positive 4. So that means it comes over here. Okay, and when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. So that means we get the point over here. Okay, so when on x-axis when it is 4, on y-axis it is 3. On x-axis when it is 3, in this case, y-axis it is 4, as we get over here. And when on x-axis when it is 2, y-axis it is 5 right over here. Now we need to join this dots and we'll get another straight line. So once again, with the help of a scale, we join the 3 dots. So we are getting a straight line. All we need to do is draw a line passing through those 3 points. This way, mark this way, and we'll put it over here as x plus y equal to 7. Okay, got it? Now you see where this line, that is 2x minus y equal to 2, meets x plus y equal to 7 over here, and this point is nothing but 3 comma 4, 3 on x-axis, 4 on y-axis. So we'll mark it with, put dotted lines to mark them, to indicate that this is the value of x and y solved graphically. This way, and over here this way. Okay, so that's how we mark this, and we can mark this as 3 comma 4. Okay, solved. So now what you can do is, now we'll go back to where we had done our working and we'll conclude our answer. So here we say, therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, or we can say x comma y is equal to or corresponds to 3 comma 4. Okay, so that is the second question we have solved, to solve for x and y graphically. I hope you have by now understood how to get those 3 points for the linear equations and plot them on the graph paper. Thank you for watching.